Let's talk about search engine optimization as it relates to text on a page. And this is just going to be a brief overview, a nice primer for you as you get started building web pages. But with search engine optimization, like many things in this course, it could be its own entire course. It's a pretty dense subject. But I just want to give you the basics, and that should help you start ranking for some of your key phrases right away. So we've already gone over keywords and key phrases, and we know by now that we want to use key phrases, not a key word, not a single word, because you really won't rank for those these days. The phrase that I'm going to rank for on this one is digital photography course. So there's going to be a couple of places that you'll see this. And we'll talk about some of this with optimizing your metadata as well, but you want it to actually be in the URL. So that's where permalinks come in. When you name your page, it'll automatically name it inside the permalinks. And so that'll be part of your URL name. You also want to have your key phrase in the title. So here's the title: Easy DSLR Online Digital Photography Course for Beginners. Well, online digital photography course rather is in there. Now, I purposefully picked this page because I noticed the other day that it is not actually set up as well as I would like it to be, and I'm going to go in and make some changes. So as you get your text started here, this is kind of telling about what the course is about. Somewhere in this first paragraph, right away in the first couple of words, if you can, you want to use digital photography course in here. And I didn't use that key phrase in this first paragraph at all. Now, I did use it right here as digital photography course, and then throughout this text you want to use it a couple more times. And as we scroll down, you want to try to use it. See, I've got it right here, I've got it right here, and I've got it in the text here and in all of these headings. So the headings are a great thing to put your key phrase in. If you have a heading for a specific area, you want to put it in the text. You don't want to stuff it all over in the text, but you do want to keep it in the text on a regular basis. And that helps the search engines figure out what this page is all about. Because remember, they are robots. They're not human beings. They don't get the context of the text on the page. All they see is a set of words. And if you see the same set of words over and over, those are the words that you're going to rank for. That's just how it works. One of the things that I wanted to show you here is that when you're putting your key phrases inside of your text, essentially, the higher up or the closer to the beginning of your page that you can start using this word or use it several times, the better. So one of the things the search engines will look for is the density of your keyword or key phrase up near the top, because that's the most important content, the top, and then you're supposed to have less relevant content down near the bottom. And you also want to remember to do things like use the key phrase in your image tags. So when you're adding images, you'll see that I have digital photography course inside this image here. So I can click on it and it pops up and whoop-de-doo, but that's another thing you should do. So just take that one key phrase that you're working with, put that into all of the images, and that'll help with your search engine optimization. Now I want to talk about links for a second as well. It's been said that if you link your key phrase right back to this same page, that it will actually help for your search engine optimization. I'm not 100% sure on that. I think the jury's still out. But one of the other things that will help your page rank as far as the text is linking out to other relevant sites. So as I look through this page, I should find a couple of other pages to link out to. Some important pages with high prestige, good content on them. And if you link out to other people and important content, the search engines will reward you for that because you're providing your users with better content. And one last tip, I'm not sure if it's going to be covered anywhere in this course, but while we're on the subject of linking, when you link from one page of your site to another page, you want to link using your key phrase. So if I link from one of my other course descriptions over to this one, let's say I link from the advanced course to here what you're looking at, the beginner's course, I want to use digital photography course as my link text. So digital photography course will be blue, nothing else will be blue. And that way, there's a link pointing to this page with that key phrase in it. And that's another way search engines know what this page is about, because their little robots will go to the advanced course page, take the path from that link over to this page, and they'll say, oh, well, I got to this page and it said digital photography course. So that helps me figure out what this is about. And on top of that, when you have other people linking to you, if you have other websites that are willing to give you a link, if you're working on a link exchange program or something like that, see if you can get them to use your key phrase. If an outside website links to this page and has the link text as digital photography course, that is definitely going to help your search engine optimization as well.